Good morning. Today we'll see about TNPSC General Studies, Unit 4, History and Culture of India and Tamil Nadu. Your first topic is Indus Valley Civilization. So before going to Indus Valley Civilization, we must know what is the difference between prehistory and history, because this is prehistoric period. So we should know what is prehistory and history. So if it is prehistory, we don't have any evidences, we don't have any proof, and we don't have any sources for that history, for that period. During that period, we don't have any evidences. So that period is said to be prehistory. So if it is history, we have many evidences from various sources. So where the period during which we got evidences for men, for the period where the animals live, etc. So this is said to be history. So if it is prehistory, the period extends over several thousands of years and has no written records. It does not have any written records or evidences, and that period is said to be prehistoric period. And history means it is a record of man. So man existed during that and we have evidences for that, then that period is said to be history. And his various accomplishment which is constructed from authentic evidence called sources. So we have received many information from various sources. That period is said to be history. For example, Athichanallur in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. This is the important question. Athichanallur in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. There was an article in newspaper about an excavation that has been happening for last 100 years. So there we have a evidence for that men existed. So for everything we have a proof. So then this comes under history. Evidences to know about prehistoric period. So what are the things we know about prehistoric period? Because we don't have any evidence that prehistoric period existed, man lived, etc. So how can we say that prehistory period was there? By knowing that ruins, fossils, horns, bones of animals, tools made of stones, skulls, deposits. So by seeing this, we will come to know that prehistoric period has existed. Next, this prehistoric period, it is classified into Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, Iron age. Which is said to be Paleolithic age? Old Stone Age, that is from BC 10,000 years ago. So during this period, the age is said to be Old Stone Age, and that is said to be Paleolithic age. Then the next one is Neolithic age, which is said to be New Stone Age, that existed from BC 10,000 to 4000 BC. Then the next one is Chalcolithic age, and this is also called as Copper Stone Age, that existed between BC 3000 to BC 1500. And the next one is Iron Age, that existed between BC 1500 to BC 600. Now let us see one by one. So this is Old Stone Age. This is Old Stone Age. Then during Old Stone Age, primitive man was nomad. That is, they don't have proper place. They moved from one place to another place. That is nomad. Primitive man was nomad. So he will not stay in one place. He will move in search of food, shelter from one place to another place during Old Stone Age. And they lived in jungle because they don't have home, they don't have houses, anything. So they lived in jungle. And what are the dresses they used is barks of trees, skins of animals, leaves. So this they were used as dresses. Shelter, they used the shelter as branches of trees, holes, caves. So they lived inside these branches of trees, holes and caves. Since they scared of thunder and lightning, they started worshipping the thunder and lightning, because during those days they did not worship any god. Actually, during the thunder and lightning, they got very scared of that. So they started worshipping that thunder and lightning. Then these are the weapons that has been used by this Old Stone Age. Stones, branches of trees, bones and horns of animals. And they discovered fire by using flintstone. So very first fire was discovered by the Old Stone Age people, that is by using flint stone. Next, they had food like vegetables, fruits, roots and meat of animals. This is what they had as food. When they'll take this animals, when they started hunting animals means when they did not find any vegetable, fruits or anything to eat, then they started hunting animals. So to hunt those animals, they used stones, branches, bones, horns of animals. How can we come to know that these are that existing in that old Stone Age? Because we have proof for that. We have evidence for everything. Pimpatka cave in Madhya Pradesh, we see a painting. This is important. During Old Stone Age, Pimpatka cave. So those were depicted as painting in Pimpatka cave in Madhya Pradesh. This painting depicts a woman, because during those periods women also involved in hunting. How do we know that women involved in hunting? Because there is a painting in Madhya Pradesh, that is Pimpatka. In Pimpatka cave we have a painting that depicts a woman with a child tied to her waist throwing an arrow. So from this we know that women also involved in hunting during Old Stone Age. Then places in India where the Old Stone Age tools were found. So what are the places in India where the Old Stone Age tools were found is, this is important. Madhya Pradesh, so in Madhya Pradesh, Son river bank, Pimpatka cave, Maheshwar. In Rajasthan, Luni valley. Karnataka, Pagalghat. Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool caves, Renikunta. In Tamil Nadu, Vadamadurai, Athirampakkam, Velur, Kanjipuram, Pallavaram, Tiruvallur. So in these places, they found Old Stone Age tools. Then New Stone Age. This is New Stone Age. So previously we have seen Old Stone Age. This is New Stone Age. So during New Stone Age, they learned to produce food. And they domesticated animals like cow, hen, goat. And the first domesticated animal is dog. This is important. The first domesticated animal is dog. So during those period, they don't know what is horse. So after this, you should remember, they don't know what is horse. Domesticated animals like cow, hen and goat. And the first domesticated animal is dog. And the weapons used during this New Stone Age is polished, carved, sharp stone weapons, wood and bone weapons. Wheels were invented. So during this period, they invented wheels. So with the help of these wheels, they made parts. So they started doing parts by using these wheels. So these wheels were invented during the New Stone Age. And copper was the first metal used by them. So the first metal used by them is copper. Next, build mud houses. So previously they don't have houses. They'll move from one place to another. That's why they are said to be nomad. They don't have any places. They will not stay in one place. But here, they started building houses. So they built mud houses with thatched roofs. So they have thatched roofs. Houses were round and oval. So during that time, the houses were round or oval in shape. And what is our main occupation means? Agriculture. This is also important. Agriculture was a main occupation during that period. And they had practice of burying the dead. So before that, they don't have practice of burying dead. But after this New Stone Age, during this New Stone Age, they started burying the dead. So urns were used to bury along with their tamed animals. So if they are using this dog as tamed animal, if it dies, then what they will do is they'll put some urns also along with that animal to bury. So while burying, they'll put everything in that urn. So the urns were used to bury. So during burying, they'll use this urns, everything for the tamed animals. So during New Stone Age. Then the next one is places where New Stone Age tools or weapons were found. So during New Stone Age, the tools or weapons were found in, that is the New Stone Age tools or weapons were found in Tirunelveli, Tandikudi, Salem, Pudukottai, Tiruchirappalli. So in these places they found New Stone Age tools, weapons. Then the next one is Copper Age. And Copper Age is also said to be Chalcolithic Age. This Copper Age is said to be Chalcolithic Age. At the end of New Stone Age, man came to know use of copper, because that's why it is called as Copper Age or Chalcolithic Age. The Chalcolithic Age is called as Copper Age because copper, at the end of this New Stone Age only, they found this copper. So they came to know about this copper. So they made tools of copper as well as small stones. And they drew colorful pictures with geometrical patterns, because previously they used wheel. Actually they discovered wheel during the previous, that is old New Stone Age. But what they did is they started doing parts in the New Stone Age. And during this Copper Age, what they did is they started doing colorful pictures with geometrical patterns on the parts. Harappan culture belongs to this age. Actually, this Harappan culture is called as Indus Valley Civilization. So that Indus Valley Civilization belongs to Copper Age. To say this, I started this topic. So this Harappan culture, Harappan, or it is called as Indus Valley Civilization, that belongs to the Copper Age. This is very important. Then the next one is Iron Age. So what is Iron Age? Tools were made of iron. So the name itself says. So here they found iron. So tools are made up of iron. They learned to melt the metal to make weapons, and Vedic period belongs to this age. And Copper Age means Harappan civilization belongs to Copper Age, and Vedic period belongs to Iron Age. Hope you understand this. If you like this, subscribe, share and support. I'll continue this Indus Valley civilization in the upcoming videos. Thank you.